Okay, so here we're about to go in and start to build the website. Now, I'm a big fan of ClickFunnels. I study all of their stuff. Some of the stuff I get through the mail every month or online, and it basically talks about funnels. It's by a guy called Russell Brunson, who's been around doing creating internet marketing courses, creating software called ClickFunnels, and I'm a big fan of ClickFunnels. After in the old days, working with WordPress, I even worked in FTP at one point back in early 2000. And I've looked at Wix and Weebly, and I'm not saying any of these aren't great, but I can only show you what I use, and I recommend ClickFunnels because I, f- I think it will save you a lot of time. So if you're interested in ClickFunnels and you need any help, then just get in touch with me through the Q&A. I'll be happy to help you there. Now I'm going to go straight in, and they recently added in a lot of new funnels. I'm going to show you these, and I'm also going to show you some of the other Bitcoin websites out that I've modeled and will model in creating this website. And I think that's the best thing you can do when you look at what Russell's doing here. He's taking existing funnels that are working for other people from this company and copying it and creating it for him and his clients. So I think modeling other successful websites is not only intelligent. You wouldn't build a house by not building the foundations, or you wouldn't look at what your neighbors are doing to make the houses look consistent. It's the same with this. Why try and reinvent the wheel? So I'm very open. I've learned over the years on which websites are good. When it comes to Bitcoin sites, I can immediately find which ones are successful as well, especially what we're trying to do here. So let's take a look at two of those. And in a moment, we're going to go through this. One is cryptocurrency, which I admire. It's a fellow um, educator in the field like myself who is passionate about Bitcoin, is a Bitcoin affiliate, and he has a consistent journey here. We got the video, the email, just like this gentleman here. I just, there we go. And you can see we've got a different style at the top here, but he has, just get it back to the home page. So here we are on the home page, and there's a video here, there's an opt-in box here, and it's very similar to crypto current coin stack. There's no header here, which I think would help a lot in what we're doing. He's got his down here, which is in the, so he's following a formula, as you can see, and they're both now starting to provide different ways of educating, different buying and selling, different miners, different kinds of wallets, altcoins, and the formula follows here as well, naturally, because it's basically the same subject matter. He's got Bitcoin partners, he's got some video content and Bitcoin basics, and then now he's beginning to add the wallets, the faucets, the free Bitcoin. So there's a formula. I mean, it's just like anything. If you might like a Mercedes, but someone else might like a Ford, or someone might like a BMW. It's probably a better example. And it's the choices with your website. Who do you resonate with? And do you resonate with me, with the new website that I'm about to build, or do you resonate with this gentleman here, or do you resonate with the guy here? And they're all teaching and educating in different ways. I'm very, as you're going to see, video based. I like the kind of videos that you're watching now. Hopefully you do too, where I can flick from me speaking to the screen. I may have written some notes, and that's probably how I'm going to teach a lot, because then I can take my video, summarize it, have text below it, and I'm now creating content blocks, content sections that are uniquely mine. Now, are we talking about the same thing? I mean, let's take a look here. He's got a one email a day. So I may now get from him his first lesson, and I may read it, and as long as I take what I've learned and I put it into my words, my thoughts, it's essentially the same thing. But how many ways can you explain something basic like this? He's what he's teaching is amazing. Don't get me wrong, but it's a beginner's video on this. This guy here has the video, when it plays, it will have a whiteboard, and the whiteboard here might be drawing on it or maybe pre-drawn. So I may watch that and go, can I use this? So he's talking about the most sought for search query on Google in 2014. What is Bitcoin? So this is a little bit outdated. So I may come in and create something that's more up to date. But has the information dramatically changed since 2014, when he's essentially talking about Bitcoin, how it was invented, the ledger system, Bitcoin, who accepts Bitcoin, etc. And it's about 1,000 word article, and it's really good. But can I give my own stance on what I'm teaching? So really, that's for you to think about. And in the next video, I'm actually going to spend time talking to you about ClickFunnels. I'll spend some time, I think it's in a new video, and we'll start to build out the structure based upon some of the templates that come with ClickFunnels for free. So I'll see you in that.